Good morning. All right. Good morning, everybody. Whew. As you can see, it's sunrise, just about sunrise here. Bangkok, Thailand. So it's actually the second day here. Um, I didn't want to vlog the first day, just because I'm so jet lagged and kind of wanted to get my bearings about the city a little bit. But here I am, second day here. So far, it's been awesome. Awesome first day in the book. Did buy this shirt though yesterday. Pretty cool. It's like a tattoo artist. But yeah, let's go. So yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys around. I mean, it's already been lived in for a whole day, so it's not completely new, but we got a Airbnb, and it's a 2-bedroom apartment, not a hotel. It's actually right in the middle of the city. So we're literally like 10 meters away from the mall, like right across the street. So paid a little bit more than I would have liked, but I think it was actually worth it because just because of the location. It's really central to a lot of things we're gonna be doing this first week here. So I guess it pays for itself in transportation, right? So yeah, pretty good view. It's not horrible, but a lot of greenery, and then there's an actual awesome view on the second floor. The second floor of this apartment. We're on the 4th floor of the building, but the second bedroom's on the second floor, and it's a lot better view. But I'll just show you around a little bit. It's pretty good lighting here. Got a little bed, closet, a lot of mess. Doesn't come included, but I make my own. Floor to ceiling window. Really cool. And of course, essential to anywhere in Thailand, I'm sure. You got your own separate heating and cooling unit inside the room. It is humid here. It is a little muggy. It's supposed to be wintertime, but over here, man, yeah, taking like 2 or 3 showers a day. Alright, this is the living area. Couch, basic. Got a little TV here. Ceilings are very high, so I like that. Really cool lighting options. Alright. Big sliding glass, separate space. Little, I guess, fridge. This is a regular size fridge here. Listen. Yeah, these are fake. Alright. Then we got washer dryer. Little sink. Very basic here. High ceilings, as I said. Really cool lighting. There's like 5 different lighting setups, depending on how you want the mood to be, I guess. A lot of light, a lot of natural light as well, so you can consider that to be 6 in the daytime. This is upstairs. It's my buddy's sleeping right now. I decided I wanted the downstairs just because it's enough stairs to get up in this building in the first place. Alright, going into the bathroom. It's basic. You got shower. Shower's on the flow in the shower. I might have to figure it out a little bit. It's a little low for me, but it does the job, you know. Spend an extra like 2 minutes in there. This thing, I haven't tried yet, but for those of you know, that get real extra stinky in the hot weather, this clean out your booty hole real good, from what I hear. I might have to give that a try, you know, after being in a swamp. You basically swimming through the air here. You're not walking. All right. So that's the place. I think we got a really good value. Paid a little more than 400 USA, 400 US dollars, and that was for the whole week, 5 days. Yeah, this is from last night. I got a couple bug bites being out there wearing shorts. It's not easy out here. The bugs like me too much. But yeah, we're actually gonna be getting ready to get out there. I didn't bring many clothes just because I knew the clothes here were super cheap. One tip I would suggest: just bring one bag and maybe one empty bag. That way, you have something to put in all your wares. You're inevitably gonna be shopping a lot here. Coffee. As you can see, we're in a little back alley. Would you call this a back alley or just a main alley?
It's kind of like a main alley.
It's a main alley. It's Patrick, by the way.
What's up?
So we're right in the middle of everything, It's a great thing. It's locations, everything. They probably have some here. Coffee.
Yeah.
First 7-Eleven of the day. We'll probably be here 2 or 3 more times. Different location.
Plus 7-Eleven.
Right? The Hermit Doctor, father of Thai medicine. It's all real gold. 100% gold, guys. It's crazy. A gold leaf. But yeah. We're here at the Grand Palace. It's funny, just a few minutes ago, had some random Chinese tourists came up to me and they wanted a picture. Guess she was saying basically, she was like, nice hair, nice hair. I guess she never seen dreadlocks in real life, so yeah, we took a few pictures. They were nice. But yeah, this place is it's beautiful. From what I understand, it's actual gold up there. That's why it's always shiny here. And they are doing some construction right now. Not sure why, or if it's like a, you know, an add-on, or I'm pretty sure it's probably adding on because it's all around. It's not just one particular area. So we may have to come back and see what's been added in a couple years. Very beautiful though. Picture does not do it justice. And the royal guards are everywhere with their bayonet rifles and looking very serious. Hope he has benefits.